Welcome to Exam Heist, your trusted partner in certification success. We provide comprehensive study materials, available both online and offline. We're here to guide you every step of the way. From in-depth PDF guides to structured practice sets, we covered all essential questions to help you in certificating. You'll always have the right resources at your fingertips. Download the PDFs, take practice tests, and connect with our expert support team. Interactive online practice support, so you can test yourself anytime, anywhere. Exam-ready PDFs, carefully curated with essential questions. Top performers consistently rely on Exam Heist. With thousands of learners already certified, we've built a reputation for quality and trust. Expert assistance, where certified professionals are available to answer your queries. And most importantly, content that stays up to date with the latest exam patterns. Start today, and move one step closer to your certification success. So don't wait. Give your preparation the winning edge with Exam Heist. Visit examheist.com now. Exam Heist, your journey to success starts here.
Question 1. During maintenance of a role, you notice that the status text for an authorization object indicates status changed. New. What does this status text mean? Option A. The authorization object has been flagged as a critical object. Option B. The authorization object must be maintained again. Option C. The authorization object was used to create a new authorization because the initial configuration of the role changed the default value maintained in SU24. Option D. The authorization object was used to create a new authorization because the values contained in SU24 differ from the SAP standard contained in SU25. Choose the correct answer. Correct answer is Option C. The authorization object was used to create a new authorization because the initial configuration of the role changed the default value maintained in SU24. Question 2. How can you protect a system when you do not want the user assignments for a role to be transported? Option A. Restrict import of users in table PRGN cast in the target system. Option B. Restrict import of users in table PRGN cast in the development system. Option C. Restrict access to the user assignment tab in PFCG in the target system. Option D. Restrict access to the user assignment tab in PFCG in the development system. Choose the correct answer. Correct answer is Option A. Restrict import of users in table PRGN cast in the target system. Visit examheist.com now. Start your exam success today. Prepare smarter with Exam Heist. Practice real exam questions. Download PDFs and revise with confidence.